morning, class. I am Teacher Henry. So, before we start, please raise for our prayer. Amen. So, who among your classmates are absent? I guess none. So, before we start, this is our classroom rules. We have to be nice. And for never give up, I include everyone. C, come prepared. And lastly, E, for engage positively. So before we start our lessons, this is our objectives. So um, by the end of the lesson, you students are expected to identify action verbs in positives, in verbs in given sentences, show willingness to participate in identifying action verbs by actively sharing examples during class activities, demonstrate different action verbs through simple movements during a short class activity. So, to start our lesson, we will play a fun game. So, watch me carefully. So, what am I doing? Very good. I am clapping. So, next. Very good. I am jumping. Very good. I am turning. So, all the words you said, jumping, clapping, and turning, are action verbs. This word shows actions. Now, I want you to work with your partner, your seatmates. So, you have to underline the words in the paragraph shown that shows actions. It shows action. Those are action verbs. I will just give you 2 minutes. Time's up. So, okay, let's share your answers. What action verbs did you find? It is walk, carries, greets, and play. These are all action verbs because they show what someone is doing. So class, you have an idea now what our topic for today. It is all about verbs. So verb is a word that shows action or tells what someone or something is doing. So these are the examples: jump, eat, sing, and run. Now, tell me or give me one action verb that you do every day. Okay, we have eat, walk, play, study, and clean. Very good. You clearly understand what action verbs are. Now, we will play a group activity called Act It Out. So, I will divide this class into 5 groups. Each group will send a representative to pick flashcards. The word on the flashcards is an action verb, but they don't say it aloud. They perform it using actions only. The class will guess. So these are the procedures. One of your group mates would pick a card. Next, they perform it, and the remaining group members will be guessing the word. And lastly, you will rotate until everyone has participated. So, are you ready? Let's begin group 1. Send your first performer. You all did a great job. You action verbs today. So now, let's see if you can identify action verbs in sentences. So I will read each sentence and you will underline or write in your paper the action verb. So number 1, the children play in the park. Number 1, the children play in the park. So number 2, Maria washes the dishes. Number 2, Maria washes the dishes. Number 3, the birds fly in the sky. Number 3, the birds fly in the sky. 4, my mother cooked dinner last night. My mother cooked dinner last night. And lastly, we walk to school every morning. We walk to school every morning. So, are you all done? Okay, so the answers for number 1 is play. Very good. Everyone got it correctly. So number 2, washes. Okay, very good. Number 3, fly. Okay, you got it right. Number 4 is cooked. Very good. And lastly, number 5, yes, it is walk. Very good, everyone. So, action verbs can also show positive Filipino values. For example, help. It shows bayanihan. Greet. It shows respect. Next, share. It shows pagkakaisa. And lastly, clean. It shows discipline. So, when you help at home, greet your elders, or clean your surroundings, you are using action verbs that reflect good Filipino values. Let's always practice these actions. So, now, I will give you a worksheet entitled Find the Doer. So, you have to underline the action verb in each sentences. You only have 5 minutes. So, the 5 minutes starts now. Time's up. Let's check your answers together. So, for your homework, write 5 sentences at home using action verbs. Underline the action verbs in each sentence. So, be creative and use different action verbs. This will help you become better writers. That's all for today, class. Goodbye.